Well guys, we're getting to use the drill a little bit more. So we got to put an extra hole in this drawbar. So I drilled it out as far as I can, then you usually got to bore them. So I got a boring head in the drill. And here we go. There it goes. We're feeding down right now. You can see the little wheel turning. Tough iron. But then you get down into a little bit, then it settles down a little bit. Got my crane out here kind of supporting it, but this is kind of interesting. Oh, let's see. You can see the transfer of power being moved all the way up the chain. You can see that thing wiggling back and forth a little bit as the cutter goes around the hole. Alright, we just went through the hole and I got this stop set. I should shorten it up a little bit, but there we're down feed kicked out. So we got done with that bore. Let's take a look at it. Let's see if I can get you in here close to the hole. Shine my light in there. I think that looks pretty good. For using a boring head in a drill. Who would have thought? Anyway, that was running let's see, we were running 120 RPMs and 3/1000 down feed. So that project's done. Now I got to get this set up in there. I've welded this hole up. Now I got to bore it out to 1 3/4 inches. So that's the next job for the drill. Alright, so been working on this other boring project and we're getting down to about the last pass in here. So I had to build that all up with weld and bore it out. Been kind of a long process because I moved the chair right over here. Anyway, alright, first we turned the drill on. Push the bullhorn in. Oh, there it goes. And we hit the power feed. And the wheel's going around. That wheel's going around. Probably takes 5 minutes to go through there. So we'll bring you back when we're about going through. There's only so much of this you can watch. Down there to the bottom, and once again I got the stop set here, so when this knob comes up, it's there, it'll trip the power feed out when we're through with the hole. Hopefully this is the last pass. It's just an 1 3/4 pin's got to go through there, so it's not a tight fit anyway. Should start seeing the handle move here pretty soon. Oh, there he starts. Now if you listen, hear the cutter? Now we're out of the hole. Power feed went off. Now I can raise that out of there and check my hole and see if it's good. So we got done with that pass, and I took, well, that's hard to get in there. Okay, there. I took that in there and measured it, and then I transferred over to the calipers. And we got 760, which is usually fine for just a pin to go through. So let's check this out. Now this lever, I guess it's a button, raises and lowers everything. So we're going to go up. So we got clearance in there, and I have a piece of 1 3/4 stub shaft. Drop it right down in there. There. Just right. Good enough for Horvitz 4 anyway. Well, what do we got here? Well, we got 4 of these rims to do. These were manufactured by somebody, and anyway, the inside hole was machined, or it was actually just flame cut out, but it's wrong size. So I have 4 of these. I have to bore the hole out and to make it fit the application. So we come back here. I took my big angle plates, brackets that I made one time for another job. They didn't quite work, so I had to change them, and I added this plate here and that plate down there, so then it catches the rim all the way around. So I used the Allen head cap screws to go through here, so this is all a nice flush surface now. So I made myself a great big angle plate. They're kind of fun to line up, but I kind of got that figured out how to do that. But anyway, let's see. I can kind of show you, I guess. I have to run out the inner spindle, like so. Then I can put an indicator in there, and I run that around till I get it centered. And we pull it back out. And now we're ready to go in and cut the hole out. So let's start the machine up. Battery died, so we're going to try this one again as soon as it starts cutting here. There we go. Now we can check our dimension and go on from there. So I've got this inside mic. I think it goes up to 20 inches. So that's what I'm using to measure with. Anyway, shut that thing off. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you see, and keep coming back. I'll try to show some other different things. See ya.